Asteroid 2024 YR4 has a 1.3% chance of hitting Earth in 2032. That's one of the highest probabilities ever recorded for a significant asteroid. This alarming statistic has prompted global space agencies to activate planetary defense protocols, marking a pivotal moment in our approach to asteroid threats. The Torino scale rates asteroid 2024 YR4 a 3, indicating a significant risk. Only one asteroid has ever received a higher rating in history. Monitoring its trajectory is crucial. As we gather more data, the predicted path becomes clearer, reducing uncertainty about potential impacts. Asteroid 2024 YR4's orbit is eccentric, complicating predictions. However, precise tracking is vital for understanding its future path and potential danger. Colin Snodgrass, an astronomer from the University of Edinburgh, emphasizes the importance of continuous observations to refine our understanding of asteroid 2024 YR4's trajectory. The Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS, is crucial for detecting potential threats like 2024 YR4, providing early warnings of asteroid impacts. The asteroid 2024 YR4's orbit is eccentric, complicating predictions. However, precise tracking is vital for understanding its future path and potential danger. Colin Snodgrass, an astronomer from the University of Edinburgh, emphasizes the importance of continuous observations to refine our understanding of asteroid 2024 YR4's trajectory. The Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS, is crucial for detecting potential threats like 2024 YR4, providing early warnings of asteroid impacts. As scientists analyze asteroid data, they are also preparing for the possibility of mitigation missions should the threat level increase significantly. International collaboration is key, with agencies like NASA and the European Space Agency working together to monitor and respond to potential asteroid impacts. The Torino scale, which rates the threat level of asteroids, helps prioritize research and response efforts for objects like 2024 YR4, guiding global safety measures. Asteroid 2024 YR4's impact probability, at 1.3%, is among the highest ever recorded for a space rock of significant size. This raises urgent concerns. Colin Snodgrass, an astronomer from the University of Edinburgh, emphasizes the need for precise observations to understand 2024 YR4's potential impact better. The Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS, has been instrumental in detecting 2024 YR4, providing critical early warnings of potential impacts. As the asteroid's trajectory becomes clearer, the risk of it hitting Earth appears to increase, creating a paradoxical situation for scientists. NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies plays a vital role in monitoring asteroids like 2024 YR4, collaborating on global planetary defense strategies. Asteroid 2024 YR4 was first spotted on December 27, 2024, by a telescope in Rio Hurtado, Chile, part of the Atlas network monitoring the skies. As scientists gather more data, they refine their predictions, narrowing down the asteroid's trajectory and assessing its potential threat to Earth. This ongoing monitoring is crucial as the asteroid's orbit is elongated, complicating predictions about its path and potential impact. The collaboration among global space agencies ensures a coordinated response, preparing for any necessary actions if the asteroid's threat escalates. If this changed how you think about this topic, hit subscribe. We break down one mind-bending concept every week. Links to sources are in the description.